The Nature. The Nature is a poem composed by Adam Muhammad Rimi, recite by A. Hamza under Home Tutors Creative Record. This poem is a love poem. Adam Muhammad Rimi composed this poem in order to appreciate his lover, or let me say his wife, in order to appreciate his wife. So where are you, lovers and husbands, wives? Here is a nice love poem. Here it goes. Nature. The nature, what a beautiful flower. Take thee, live sneakingly, so I say. Silence sung like sad music in my soul. She is walking wisely in a whining way. If thou see not told, she has a kind heart and evil tongue not. No toll, no shot that size her. She represents one adjective that linguists use: moderate. Forgive me, polyglot, I'm a poet. I found her in a dream, catwalking that it would last ever. She has a dangerous face, was gazing at. My heart is pounding and pounding, trying to voice out. She has what a white man call pointing nose. These flowers are for those to appreciate. They are like poetry. First impression lasts longer. Thou lovest nature, reciprocation is needed. First the music of the life. Though appreciating nature is a nature. Nature by Adam Muhammad Rimi. Home Tutors Creative Record.